Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, you will learn a really easy way how you can change owner of your Basecamp account. So let's start. First, what you want to do, you just click on your profile, go here to admin land. If you can't see admin land, just try to refresh the page and it should appear there. I didn't see it before, but I'm seeing it right now. And when you click on it, what you want to do is just add or remove account owners. Click here. And now you can just look who else should be an account owner, and you can choose the person, but he needs to be in your database, right? He needs to be in your teams, etc. And then you just grant account owner powers. That's like a really good wording. So this is how you can add another owner or remove owner. If you add someone owner, you can remove yourself then. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day, and goodbye.